Hi, this is Stephen Hickey with GIT, Get Into Technology, and in this video I want to take you in and show you how to share a video off YouTube. So sign into your phone, and then you want to go look for the YouTube app. If you don't have it, then you're going to have to go to the App Store and download it. So we're going to go in and we're going to click on YouTube. And here I have a video up already. It's called Hitting the Pacific Coast Highway on a 2018 Harley Davidson Street Glide Special. Oh yeah. And so what you want to do is you want to click on share. We're going to click on share. And up comes a window of different people you can share it with. And those are the people that I know and I'm connected to. And you can copy the link, you can put it in an iMessage, you can put it in a Gmail, you can put it, share it on Twitter. Scrolling to the left, you can put it in an email. You can click on more, and then up here comes more. So there's many things you can do with it. You can airdrop it. If you're beside somebody, you just click on the picture. You see my picture with a Mac Pro that came up. I can drop it right onto my computer, the link. So we're going to do share it in an iMessage. So we're going to click that. And see, the link's already there. Now if we went out of there, we just want to share it off the video. Just go share. Come down here and copy the link. This is a little bit more complicated. Now that we've copied that link, you're going to hit your home button, and then you're going to go and you can put it in an email, you can put it in iMessage. So we're going to iMessage and click on my name, and then you're going to click in iMessage where you type your messages, and now just put your thumb where the cursor's flashing, hold it in there, let it go, and paste. And there it is, and that is the link of the video that we just were looking at, and we copied and we pasted in here. Now we push send, wait for it to populate, and there's the video. Okay, so what we can do now is we can go back out of there and we'll go back into YouTube. You're gonna have to go into iMessage, which is the green part here, somebody's name, Stephen. I'll set it to myself, and then you just push send, and that's all it is. That's all it takes to send a YouTube video link. And hope this video was helpful to you. Remember to subscribe to this channel and click the bell notification down on the right hand side of this video to stay up to date and get notified of new videos coming out, and it will continue your learning. Thanks for watching this video.